Hi, this is Space from spacesbox.com, and I have a thing for you to do with your kids. If you like screensavers and wallpapers, you can find all the wallpapers and screensavers in the featured desktop themes off of supportmicrosoft.com in US help.desktop themes featured. It'll be linked in my post, just a direct link to the thing. You just people like animals. Um, I'm all just try this. Download the African wildlife theme, and then you say open with, and it will tell you personalization, and then you go okay, and then you select it, and then you close it. We minimize this, and then we have elephants. All right. Now we can also go, I think, next, but I'm not positive. Let me look at it and see if I can find it. Yeah. And then we have a cheetah. It's next desktop background. Anyway, it also auto switches if you have Windows 10, but this works on Windows 8, 7, and 10. And I hope you like this. This is my YouTube video for today, and have a great day. Thanks for viewing, and if you like it or dislike it, uh, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and if you want me to cover something in a YouTube video, please leave it in the thread, and I'll look for what you want me to cover and see if I can do it for you.